joined once again today at midday with Miss Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. And what are we making right now?
We're making, following our theme of using ingredients from the garden, from the orchard, and we're making a wonderful summer apricot coffee cake.
Oh, this sounds good.
I've got the dry ingredients I'm going to work on here. Okay. You are going to put the vanilla soy milk, the egg, and the vanilla in this bowl and mix it.
Oh, and I get to use the whisk?
And you usually do get to use the whisk. I've got flour and sugar here, and I've added some baking powder, some baking soda, and a little bit of salt.
I got my eggs. There. And we've got real vanilla. I mean, this is like Charlene went all out. Like they're big spenders over at the Soybean Commission.
And wait, I'm thinking, could you smell that orange peel? I could smell it as I'm putting that in there. I have a very good sense of smell, sorry. So, and then this is our margarine. I'll add that in there. And that is another one of our soy ingredients. And what I would do with this is...
Oh, I can smell the vanilla. Ooh, that's good.
Good. And this would be a fun activity for kids. This is just a pastry blender. Okay. We're going to mix this until it's crumbly. Okay. And then, or if you don't have a pastry blender, then use 2 forks or use a knife. And then just to cut it in, and that's what it's called, cutting it in, because you want that to be in lots of pieces. And then what you're going to do is pour that into this mixture.
Into yours? Okay.
Great. And we just want to mix that until we don't see any dry ingredients. It's just a basic coffee cake batter. Okay. Look how rich that looks. Great. And then we're going to pour that into our baking dish here, and I've greased it. Boy, look at the cleanup you're doing.
I know. Yeah, I have an obsession with stacking stuff. So
great. Get us all ready. So we see how we pour that across there. Great. And then I've got fresh apricots. Now when I did that one there, I lined them up in rows, but today we're just going to go ahead and add them here to save time. But it would be fun to add them to make kind of a pattern if you want to.
Sure.
And then it has a crumble topping. And we're just going to add that to the top.
Well, like what's the crumble topping?
So it's flour, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, more of our soy margarine that we've added in, and then a little bit of cinnamon. Pour that on there. Bake that at 350 degrees. There we go. How does that look? For about 50 minutes, 55 minutes, use a wooden pick to make sure it comes out clean.
Okay.
And then it makes 9 wonderful servings there.
Look at these. I mean, this is amazing. It looks so good. I almost knocked that over.
That's okay.
So yummy. I love it. Okay, can I have some?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Yes, you may.
All right. Hey, how do people get the recipe for these?
They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the recipes for August.
Oh, they are so moist. I love this. Thank you, Miss Charlene.
Thank you.
And thank you. Hopefully you'll get the recipe and try these out. They taste amazing. Right now we're going to head over and take a final look at the forecast while I finish this.